Hello, I would like to make a video about my experience with my own motorbike here in India. No, not this one, no. This one here, the Royal Enfield Himalayan, the new one. And I have this motorbike since new. Now it's 1 month old, and I put already almost 6,000 kilometers on it. Yes, this is the temperature at the moment. I am in Varanasi, north of India. I'm just coming back from the Ladakh and the Kashmir, where I did many passes, the highest pass of the world. Many of those passes were 5,000 and more, 5,000 meters over the sea. So here is the bike, and then what I would like to say is some feedback regarding the equipment that I'm using on this bike and for myself. For example, I have the helmet from Shoei. This one, I'm very happy with this helmet. The white color protects me very well against the heat of the sun. And then when I was riding in a very high altitude, and it was nearly 0 degrees for 1 or 2 hours, it protects me also very well against the cold, and also very well against the rain, the monsoon. We get monsoon rain here, so heavy for hours, but always dry inside. Amazing. Inside of the helmet, I have the Sena communication system. It's the SLR Mesh Plus. So here is fully integrated in the helmet, you can see. But here, frankly speaking, very disappointing device. Audio quality, after 2 or 3 days, it becomes very distorted, even if the volume was low. And after 3-4 days, the microphone stopped to work. So I couldn't talk with the other guy who has the same system. We did reset, we did a lot of tests, but no way to get it back. But now I am in India, no chance to do anything for the moment. Yes, what I have on this bike also is the GoPro. That's the 11. Very happy about this GoPro. Every morning I start it, and then it lasts for the day, just in standby. Each time that I want to make some videos, I just hit here, even with the gloves. It starts, I make 1 minute of small clip, and then this works perfectly. Very happy about that. What I have also, about the bike, I have these extra accessories here, which can protect your hand when you're in the traffic. I have this guard who protects your legs and feet. Very important here in India because it's very narrow in the traffic. And then I have the guard here on the radiator. I don't know if it's useful. It's more looking good than useful probably. And then I have the bottom part here, protection. This is also something that I have added. And yes, regarding the bike, what I have to say is the vibration that I get when I'm going over 70 kilometers per hour up to 100, 110. The low part here of the bike near the engine is vibrating, and I feel the vibration here on my feet. It's a very high frequency vibration. It's not very strong, but yes, after hours it becomes like a bit annoying. But okay, maybe if the rubber was more thick, or I don't know, less rigid, you can maybe absorb this vibration, but the vibration is there. After that, I have a little vibration here in this handle, but this is absolutely okay. What else I have in this bike is the Mosko Rekless system. That's the 80. Very nice system, very easy to install in the bike. I don't need extra device. I just drop it on it and then tight it, and it works. Yeah, it is touching the exhaust, but I forget to check this morning. Okay, but it's now 1 month on it, and then very happy about that. The waterproof bag works quite well, but What is very disappointing is the quality of the clip here. After 2 weeks, this one broke, and then where I am now. So I have one broken, two broken, so 2 clip broken over 3. I still have one. But anyway, so poor quality. By chance I have this strap here, which helped me to tie everything together. But let's see how it will go with Mosko Moto about these things. And I have this tank bag. Very happy about this one. Easy to install. In 1 or 2 minutes you can remove it. Hello. You can remove it and then take it in your room. And also very easy to open here to put some fuel. Okay. Oh, 38. Oh, it's getting cold. And then yes, about the bike, quite surprising. I have here this strange leakage here, and then also here the painting is spilling here under here, but I don't know what happened. It could be something like brake fluid, but as far as I understand, there is no brake fluid in this part of the bike, so quite strange, but okay. So very happy about everything except the Sena communication. For me is crap, and then some poor quality here. The rest, yeah, the duffel bag from ORTLIEB. This is the big one, 80 liters. It's extra good and so waterproof. Just amazing. This one I can really strongly advise all the equipment from ORTLIEB. This is the big one, so they have even bigger one. Good. Yes, for myself I have here a mesh jacket from Royal Enfield that I bought here in India. It cost me 30 euros, so but you can see it's mesh. Very good to drive with this seat and still with protection inside. 30 euro. And then myself, I am wearing the Alpinestar pants, and I have also the jacket which is inside here, but it's too hot to wear this jacket. Even if you open the vent and things like that. Yes, I am happy to have this one. And then the bag, the pants here, they are not waterproof, but the inside dry very quickly, and it protects very well against the heat of the sun and the direct sun on your legs. So it's thick, but I prefer like this. And also a little words about the boots here from Alpinestar. That's the Gore-Tex one. Gore-Tex, yes. Gore-Tex boots. And then I am very happy about those boots. They are really waterproof. They stand very well. I work in the deep water. I stay on the rain for hours, and always with the feet well dry. So that's what can I say. In a different video, I'm going to talk how it goes with the number plate here in India when you are foreigner. Ooh, losing the plate. Cool. Looking for feedback. Thank you, guys.